Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create folders. Folders are a great way to keep all of your lessons, videos, and resources in one place. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, click everything at the top and click Folders from the left-hand side. This will bring you to your Folders page. From here, click the blue button that says New Folder. Type in a name for your folder. In this case, we're looking for extra material for a private student, so we'll call this Fun Material for Raquel. If you'd like, you can also add in a description. Once you're set, click the blue Save button. Now that your folder has been created, you can begin to add materials to it. As you browse through content on the site, look for the folder icon. When you click this icon, you can add the lesson to the folder you created. Check off the box next to the folder you'd like to save it to, and then click the blue Save button. If you have more than one folder you'd like to add it to, you can check off multiple boxes and then click the blue button. When browsing through lessons in a section, you can find the folder button right beneath the level. When you click a lesson, you can also add it to a folder by clicking the folder icon in the top right corner. If you would like to add a video to a folder, you can first click the video and then click the folder icon right beneath it. Same process applies. Check off the box next to the folder you'd like to save it to, and then click the blue Save button. If browsing through a flashcard set, you can choose a section and then click a category to add it to your folders. Just scroll down and click the folder icon again right next to this blue Add to Class button. Blog posts can also be added to folders. Look out for the folder icon in the top right. As a general rule of thumb, when browsing through the website, you can always look for the folder icon to add a resource to your folder. To view the content you've saved to your folder, from anywhere on the site, you can click everything at the top and click Folders from the left-hand side. From here, click the title of your folder to view the contents. Within your folder, you can change the order the lessons are displayed by clicking and dragging them where you'd like them. This then becomes what is known as My Order. So every time you sort by My Order in the drop-down menu, this is the order you see. You can also sort the content alphabetically, or reverse alphabetically, or go back to My Order. You can click the three dots to the right to add a lesson or resource to another folder. You can also click the three dots to remove a lesson or resource, or you can click the three dots to add it to a class. From here, choose the class you'd like to add it to, and then choose the location, either prepping if you'd only like you to see it, or teaching if you would like to assign it to your students immediately. Once you're set, click the blue Save button. With the three dots at the top, you can share this folder with another teacher if you are a part of the same organization plan. You can edit the details of the folder, including the title and the description, or you can delete the folder. There's also the option to pin the folder to your class. When you pin a folder to your class, you can easily access it from the class page. To pin the folder to a class, click the Pin to Class button, choose the class you'd like to pin it to, and then click the blue Pin button. At the bottom, click View Class to be brought to your class. From here, click Content Drawer at the bottom and click Folders at the top. You'll then see your pinned folder. Click this folder to view the contents. From here, you can assign any work to your class by checking off the boxes and choosing a location. If you'd like your students to see it right away, click the Teaching location, and then click the blue Apply button. When you view your lesson planner for your class, you'll see that the lessons have been added. That's it for this video on how to create folders. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.